Hey everybody, hope everyone's having a nice evening. Just want to give you a little trivia question here. What does this 1969 Dodge Charger RT 440 Magnum car in B5 blue have in common with this 1970 Dodge Charger RT 440 Magnum? Obviously, they're different years, but they're also both real live RT cars. Both 440 Magnum cars. Both still have some paint left on them. They have that in common. Take a look here. I never get tired of seeing these cars. After hours, everybody's gone home, and I still love doing this. It's just a blast for me. Okay, so the trivia question is, or well, it's not trivia because I haven't told you yet. The guess if you dare question is, what do they have in common that makes them super cool besides being RT Chargers? They are both a factory 4-speed car. The production numbers are considerably lower on the 4-speed cars, which is why they're so desirable over an automatic. In 1970, when you get your pistol grip, or you get your shifter, you get your pistol grip. This particular car is a console shift, so I don't know if you can see how far that jogs over there. It doesn't do it much justice. But that is a factory 440 4-speed car that's been setting for many years that we bought. Graveyard Motors bought it. We have a new home for it now. You know, we got a shop that's just full of cool cars, right? But I never get tired of seeing them. I never get tired of talking about them. I know you get tired of hearing my mouth, but I don't get tired of talking about them. And at the end of the day, if I can educate the audience that doesn't know a lot, there's guys that know a lot about these, but there's more folks that don't, then I think I'm doing my job. But it's after hours. I'm still here showing you two super cool 69 Charger RT 4-speed cars, but I'm surrounded by them. 69 Cuda 383 4-speed, 69 Charger RT SE 440 4-speed, 70 Challenger RT, 69 Charger Daytona Hemi Orange up in the corner, 68 Roadrunner one owner QQ1 car, RT SE Challenger, and of course there's about 110 other cars here. But they say if you work in a candy shop you get sick of candy. Well, I don't. I love these cars. I love everything about them. Ones come in like this and I just love learning about them, checking them out, seeing what makes them tick, seeing what's left on them that's original and what's not. I mean, the only thing that's kind of sad is we can't talk to the cars, because I'm sure that they would have lots of crazy stories to tell. But these two cars, 440, both 4-speed. This one, 1969 Charger RT, and that is my favorite year, the 1970 Charger RT.